Hi everyone, my name is Tim Warner. Welcome to my course, Configuring Microsoft Azure Active Directory Privileged Identity Management. I'm a Pluralsight staff author and a Microsoft MVP in Cloud and Data Center Management. In this course, you'll learn how to enforce least privilege security and just-in-time administrative access, both for Azure Active Directory as well as for your Azure resources. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include understanding the use cases for Azure AD PIM, discovering the high privilege role holders in Azure AD and in your Azure subscriptions, configuring time-limited access for privileged roles, and auditing the entire process to ensure security compliance. By the end of this course, you'll be prepared to improve your organizational security posture in Azure. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Azure Least Privilege Security with the Configuring Microsoft Azure Active Directory Privileged Identity Management course at Pluralsight.